Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm making tamarind sauce, tamarind lead. Let's do it. Okay, the ingredients are on the left. Okay, I'm just taking them out of the shell and removing the fiber as well. Now, of course, the seeds are still in them, but you don't eat the seed now. You're going to remember to spit them out, okay? This was a childhood favorite of mine. Tamarind sauce, tamarind lead. Let's make some of this goodness today. Now, some people like it creamy, runny, and I like it stiff. So, the vendors would add a lot of liquid to theirs, water, just to stretch it. I'm just robbing the children, adding a lot of sugar, just the way they like it, and a lot of water. But I don't like my own like that. So I'm going to be making this two ways to show you the difference. One is going to be creamy, and the other is going to be stiff. So pay attention now. Okay, they're all ready, out of the shells. The fibers have been removed. So let's do it. Okay, now I'm just going to cook this down in some water, 1 cup of water. I don't need it. I don't need more than that. So this is going to boil for about 5 minutes. All of the pulp is going to fall right off the seeds, the sack that's over the seed, that's covering the seed. It's going to fall right off and make it nice and creamy, pulpy. It's going to be like a nectar. Okay, right now that is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is a tablespoon of sugar. I'll be using another one. And this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. With the flavor, some people don't add vanilla, but I add vanilla to my own. Now these are sweet tamarind, so I don't want that much sugar in my own. Okay? The more sugar you add and you let it cook down, the thicker it would be too. That would make it thick. But they add a lot of sugar and a lot of water. So it's going to be like a nectar, and I don't want it like that. I like my own stiff. See how that is? That needs to cook. So to help me out a bit, I'm just going to add a little bit of cornstarch. Now, Mommy didn't add cornstarch to hers, but you know times have changed, and we just find out different things, different ways of making stuff better. So I make a little mixture with the cornstarch and water, just a little bit, 1/4 teaspoon. That's a little bit above a pinch, 1/4 cup of water. So I'm just going to add that together and pour it in. And then I'll allow it to boil down for about a minute or two. That's the water. So don't tell me you don't put cornstarch. No, I'm adding it in my own because I want it to be thick. Okay? I don't want that much sugar. I'm not using no more than 2 tablespoons of sugar in this. Now you can add more than that. Feel free. Remember, I always say, my recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. Whatever you don't want in it, don't add it in. Whatever you want more of, go ahead. It's yours. Okay, instead of using additional sugar, I'm just going to use this. So I'm only using 2 tablespoons of sugar in this. That's it. I've already added one, and I'm going to add the other one in pretty soon. Okay, you see how nice that is? 1 cup of water to a box of tamarind. I don't have a tamarind tree. I live in the city, so I have to buy my tamarinds out of the food store. And I had them in the fridge, so decided to make this tamarind sauce, tamarind lead for my family. And I just like to keep them in the little containers, so you can have it like a little treat, snack. Okay, here I am. I'm going to add the other tablespoon of sugar. So that's only going to be 2 tablespoons of sugar, no more than that. That's what I want. Now if you want to add more, feel free. You know just how sweet you want it, right? Okay. I remember as a child just going in the tamarind tree every day after school. And you know what they always say, girls shouldn't climb the tamarind tree, they're going to make the tree sour. That was a lie. Because I was in the tree and it is still sweet. Trust me. The tamarind tree is still sweet today. I'm sure. So I'm just cooking this down. Oh boy. It's fogging up the camera. Okay. You can see what I'm talking about. Cornstarch made the difference. And that's just how they would sell it at the school. Creamy just like that. Sometimes even a little looser. Oh, kids would come in with these little containers. So I was like, what is that? Tamarind sauce. Just like that. And a bottle of water, and that's lunch. This is what you waste your money on? Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, this is how some people would like it, but I like mine. I prefer mine a little stiffer. So I'm gonna cook this again and show you how I like my own. So you can have it like this, or you can have it the other way around. That I'm gonna show you in a minute. Okay. So I'm just cooking it down again just until it gets stiff, a little stiffer. No more sugar is added, no more nothing is added. Just a little bit more time. Tamarind. Man, there was so much different things to eat on the family island. Look at it now. Nice and stiff. I remember climbing the plum tree every day after school. And I would eat and eat and eat and could not get down out of the tree. Too full. See, and I like to put them in these little containers. So I would stay in the tree until Daddy comes home from work. And man, he would just row me out, give me a spank, and I would have to rake the yard. And that was my punishment, but I didn't mind. I had my plums. That's how I like it, just like that, stiff. See, it's not falling off the fork there. And I can even lift it up with a fork. This is tamarind sauce. Okay, I love them just like this in these little containers with the cover. And I put them in the refrigerator. And when you want a little snack, nice and healthy, loaded with vitamin C. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.